mic and the lawn cover too.
Oh yeah.
Hey, girl, go left side! Left side! Nothing much, you can get in there if you want. Go to that wall right there, so just go in. Go ahead. Go.
Hold on 1 second.
Go to that side though. Hey, go in past.
We have the condos. Hey, we have the condos.
You do?
Yeah. We have the condos. Don't shoot in the condo.
Down in the bottom, in that ravine, in that gray house, there's like 3 of them down there. They have range on us, so watch out. They're in the windows, you see them?
The guy in there is our guy.
I know, but you see him down there? See him down there? In that gray building all the way
Oh,
to the
yeah, you're right.
What's going on up here? I'm gonna go out, cover that side, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
Ready, 1?
How you doing, Caleb? Sorry.
Well, I'm just gonna come over.
Yeah, you can go.
We got 1 in this building.
Watch in the buildings in the ravine. Underneath, there's 2 guys in the windows, so don't poke out too far this way. You're good. Where's he at?
There's condos in the back, there's 2 guys in the back, there's someone in the bus, someone to the right end of the bus. But I'm going to get shots at an angle over here, so I don't want
One behind the trees.
Behind the trees?
Over here.
Got one behind the trees too over on this.
One of our guys in this first condo here.
Yeah, remember there's one of us in the condo.
Get someone behind you.
Yeah, I got Caitlin over there.
There seems to be an angle there. The guy laying down in the grass over here.
Nope. They're shooting.
There's someone, Dan.
Here, in the condos, Caitlin, in the right corner, all the way in the back. Can you see them? There's 2 of them. You're good. Okay, we got 2 guys coming up here. They're in this building now. They're in this building. Guys, they're in this building. They're directly across from us now. They took the building. They're in the ravine. Hey, watch yourself. They're in this building now. Stay down. Stay down. Caitlin, come here, come here, Caitlin, come here, come here, come here, right here. I can't get him, come here, come here. Straight ahead, right there.
Got him.
Did you?
Yeah.
You're hit, buddy.
There's more coming. I got another guy at that same crate.
Yeah.
My mask is fogged.
Get the gun, that couch, man. Get the gun.
I got two in this building right there. Same place as I shot the other guy.
Man, my mask is fogged. I can't see it.
Game over?
Yeah. I can't see shit.
Yeah, it's Game over!